frustration and my fear for today's National Cabinet will be that it'll be just more of the same, where the Premiers come along, they tell Mr Morrison what they're doing, he doesn't really try to get any type of national consensus, and again the Australian people just pay the price for his failure to plan ahead.
Labor's Christina Keneally there. Now with business news, here is Alicia Barry.
The US Federal Reserve says it's ready to start lifting interest rates in March. Inflation in the US is running at a near 40-year high, and Chairman Jerome Powell didn't rule out a rate hike at every meeting following March to tackle it. The Fed says it expects the process of balance sheet reduction to start after it has begun raising rates. The first rate rise is a key step in reversing its pandemic-era low-rate policies that have fueled hiring and growth but escalated inflation. Jerome Powell says controlling inflation is vital to a strong jobs market.
The economy no longer needs sustained high levels of monetary policy support. That is why we are phasing out our asset purchases, and why we expect it will soon be appropriate to raise the target range for the federal funds rate. Of course, the economic outlook remains highly uncertain. Making appropriate monetary policy in this environment requires humility, recognizing that the economy evolves in unexpected ways.
Moves by the Federal Reserve in the US will add pressure to the Reserve Bank of Australia to raise rates domestically this year. Several major banks expect the RBA to hike rates in August, and we will hear from the RBA next Tuesday. The Australian share market had bucked the trend on Wall Street and is pushing higher, recovering just some of the steep losses booked on Tuesday. Right now, the All Ords and the ASX 200 index are up over 1% each. Most sectors are higher. The industrials, banks and miners are in the lead. South 32 performing very strongly, as is Virgin Money and Beach Energy. Heading in the opposite direction, Silver Lake Resources after a trading update. Evolution Mining, the gold miner, also down. And among the tech stocks losing ground, WiseTech Global. Turning to the Asian session, where the NZ50 is seeing trade underway and it's pointing a little higher. Well, trading on Wall Street started quite strong, but